Join, right? So good morning, class 9th. So first of all, today we will discuss the last question which we have I have given as a homework, and many of you have done also, and you have sent the work, and I have replied also, right? So but some of you have not sent, so for them I am telling. Some of you have done some silly mistakes. See, in the last one question, the Fibonacci series program I have given, right? So in that only the starting point must be different, rest the logic, the implementation is same. So let me share my screen, then I will discuss, right? Good morning, Dhriti.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes beta. Anushka.
Sir, I really want. Sir, please the program.
Beta, just now, acha, you have sent here in the chat box. Let me check.
No, sir, no, for the mail. So should I post it on the chat box also?
Then only I can check, because just now I cannot check the mail, beta, na?
Okay, sir.
Just send it, then I will say. Good morning, Dhriti. Beta, Dhriti, do not miss the classes, because we are every day we are doing some new things, and today maybe if I will get time, I will start some new things. So if you are missing the classes, that means you are missing some very important things. So do not miss the class. This is for everybody. And now again, there is no attendance form. I am recording everything. So those who are missing the class, those who are not able to get the things which we are discussing in the class, they can refer the recording. Within 1 hour we are uploading the recording in the GCR. So you can go through and you can check the, good morning Vishesh, you can check it on YouTube. The link is there. You can cross check your logic. Anushka beta, it is wrong. Sorry, Kavyansh. Because the starting point is different. So let me share my screen. I am going to share my screen. Then I will tell you this program. Okay? So just relax for a minute. So now I am going to share my screen. Only 28 of you have joined till now. It's 11:03 a.m. right? So still we are having 1 or 2 minutes. By the time we can discuss the previous question. Is it visible, everyone?
No.
Must be coming.
No, sir.
It will come. Now it has come, beta. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the last question, the question is there in the comments, which starts with, this is the Fibonacci series, which starts with -1, 1, 0. So only the starting point must be changed. Rest the logic is same, right? So now the starting point I am putting here -3 and 2, and then I will show you in that table. See, whenever you are getting this type of question in which the Fibonacci series is there, always try to do in the proper table, then only you can easily understand, right? Now in C we are doing the addition of the first two terms, right? So now the starting term is, I have assigned 3, then 2. So now -3 plus 2, that is -1, and this we are printing as C, as you can see here. Now then we are shifting the value of B into A and the value of C into B. So now this A would be now next time 2 and B would be -1. So 2 plus 1, that is 2 minus 1 is 1. So now this is your second term, as you can see here. Now then -1, again the same process will happen. So now -1 plus 1 is 0. Now, so the third term was 0. Everybody please say here, those who have put it the different value. See, maybe those some of you have put it -2 and 0, something like this. So in that case, beta, maybe you are getting only the first 2-3 terms, but at least for 5 terms, if you are checking for the 5 terms and if it is correct, coming correct, that means the logic is correct and the starting point is also correct. So that is why I always try to show at least for 5 terms. See, this is your fourth term, and now again 0 1 is 1. So this is your first 5 terms we have shown here, right? So this is the simple working, and always do the dry run. That's very, very basic and the important point here. So if you are not doing the dry run properly, that means you are going to do some mistakes. So please avoid that. So now let me execute, then only you will understand if sir is saying correct or not. So after this, everybody please get ready with your notebook and pen. Again, I will give you one question and you will have to send in the chat box. Now, see, the number of terms I am going to give here 7, right? So now the terms are coming here like -1, as you can see here, -1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, like this only. Is it okay, everybody? Everyone? Is it correct? Are you comfortable now in this logic?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's move to the next question. So get ready with your notebook.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So now only 40 out of 46 students have joined till now, and this is 11 of 8. So now get ready for the next question, everybody. So the next question I am going to see here on your screen. Now, so what we are doing here, we are printing 1, 11, 111, then 41, that is 1111, then 11,111, like this for the first 10 terms. So we wanted to print this series for first 10 term. Is that clear, everybody? The question is clear? This series you will have to print for the first 10 terms. Don't think that this is a table of 11. No, this is
Yes,
not
sir.
this is not a table of 11, because in the first term and the last term in first table of 11 is 110, and here it would be different. Okay, so please do it and show me the logic. I am posting in the chat box also, so those who wants to copy, they can copy, and those who want to see, they can see on the screen also. My screen is visible, bachcho, till now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I am going to stop sharing my screen. Now you will have to do. And for the previous question,
Sir, I have sent.
okay, I didn't receive. Okay. But you don't have to print the sum. You have to print the series only. So there is an extra one line. Rest is fine. Very good. Riddhi Kalra. Riddhi Kalra, yours was correct the previous question. Very good. Anushka, yours was wrong.
Sir, I ran it on the programming page with someone.
Beta, -1 and 1 won't be coming. That is not possible. Let me check
Sir,
again.
actually the first, sir,
Okay, you have sent one more program in the same sequence, right? Yes. Now it is correct, beta. Very good.
yes, sir, that was first one was fine.
Yes. The first one was wrong. The second is correct. Okay. Very good.
Okay. Yes, sir, thank you, sir.
Do it, bachcho. And after posting, please let me, intimate me ki whether you have posted or not. Rachit, yours is correct.
Sir, I have sent it again.
Yes, I have seen. Very good, beta. Wait, Kavyansh, I am checking that. So 40 of you have joined till now. So Kavyansh Gupta. Yeah, beta, it is correct. Kavyansh, very good. Abhuday, yours is also correct. Beta, see, when in the question Shrestha Tripathi, it is correct. Yes, correct. But you are not giving the space in between. Laksh Goyal. Laksh Goyal. Wait, Laksh Goyal. Wait just a minute. I equals to 1. Yes, yes, Laksh, it is correct. Absolutely correct. Well done, beta. Prakriti Singh. Yesterday you were missing the class, beta. Do not miss the class. Now, 0 into, yes, correct, beta. Anushka is correct. See, when in the question it is mentioned ki for the first 10 terms, for the first 5 terms you have to print. So don't take input for n. That's not required. That is why I have intentionally given the number of terms 10. Artika Gupta, your is correct, beta. Very good. Sarthak Pandey. Beta, there is no need of n. Just directly you can write 10. Rest is fine. Very good. Arisha Khan. Very good. Kesarwani Saab. Well done. But as you have not declared, Shamik, you have not mentioned S. Rest is fine.
Yes, sir. I wanted to write C, but I am written S.
No problem, no problem.
So it should have been C.
Amisha Williams, your is correct, beta. Very good. Not required. N is not required. Directly you can write there 10 in the loop. Okay. Ashita, number of terms not required to take input. Instead of n, directly you can write 10 because in the question it's given 10. Very good. Rest is fine. Shreya Rastogi, beta, very good. No. Shreya, the SOPLN line must be coming before S equals to S into 10 plus 1. Okay. If you are doing this, printing this line after this working, that means you will get the output starting from 11, not from 1. 1 has to be there. Okay. Now Riddhi, you have to print the series. You don't have to print the sum. So instead
Sir,
of
it is
S,
wrong. Sir, it is wrong.
yeah, it is
Sir,
wrong. Instead of doing S equals to S plus A, you can print A. Rest is fine. And plus I की जगह पे plus 1 होगा, right?
Yes, I think also plus 1. Yes, sir. So I was correct.
Don't post the program in hurry. Okay, take your time, beta. That is why I am checking each and every one and taking the name also. So don't worry. If you will post, I will tell. Soumya Ashish, beta, it is correct, but the curly braces, closing curly braces must be there after second line. That is missing. And print the space also. And see, beta, listen everyone. Whenever you are printing the series, always try to print on the same line. And for that, don't use print ln. Use print only. Okay, and give the space. Suyesh Yadav, beta, Suyesh, it is wrong. A very small mistake. And you have taken input and starting loop from 0 to less than equals to, and this is wrong. One additional working you will get. Okay, so now listen. Wait. Now Riddhi, it is correct. Riddhi, the starting value of A must be 0. Then it would be fine, otherwise it is wrong.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now listen everyone.
Okay, sir.
Should I tell this program or is it okay? बच्चों, hello,
Sir, sir.
should I discuss this program?
Sir, we can move to the next.
Yes. So we can move to the next question. So everybody has to this. Okay, Kartikeya, I am telling for you. Don't worry, but just give me a minute. Then I will discuss this program. After that, I will give you the new one. Don't worry. I will take very short time. Harshit Lalwani. Something is missing, beta. Small things. My screen is visible now. बच्चों,
Yes, sir.
is it coming? I hope it is coming, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So now see, the very small changes I am doing here, like, so now the starting point we are putting c equals to 1. First of all we are printing 1, then we are giving the space, right? Now in the next line what we are supposed to do, c equals to c into 10 plus 1, this much, see. So first time what you will get? You will get 1. Next time 1 into 10 plus 1, that is 11. So next time what you will get? 11. Next time 11 into 10, that is 110 plus 1. So it would be now 111. Next time 111 into 10, that is 110 plus 1. That means 4 times 1. Am I clear, everybody? This is the simple logic of this question. So now let me show you the output, then just start for the next question.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Let me show you the output, everybody. And please, from the next time, this is my humble request from the whole class. Just join the class before 5 minutes. You people are coming late. So the first 10 terms we are supposed to print. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 terms are coming. So instead of taking input, so we can remove this input. Okay. So here we can write directly 10. This is also fine. Okay, everybody? Is it okay? Now, so now we'll just move to the next question.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now the next question is on your screen, everybody. This one. These two questions you have to do. So first do the second question. Now you have to print the series, that is 1, 2, 4, 7, 11, 16 for n terms. After that, don't try the both program together. First do the first question, because I cannot check simultaneously, right? So this is the program which you have to do right now. That is on your screen and it is recorded also. Those who are not getting the question clearly, they can watch it later, okay? Because everything I am recording. The question I have put it in the chat box. R.N. Ashok, what is this? But this is very typical method. Don't try this.
Okay, sir.
Kavyansh. Now don't show me the previous question, beta, that I have told.
Sir, this is this one only.
Yeah, no, it is not this one. This is the different question. You will get the different output. The previous one. Wait,
Sir, the output is coming this only.
let me see.
I have done this in class.
Let me see beta again. C1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus Yes, correct. Very good, beta. Again, what's your name? Kavyansh. Well done, beta. Kavyansh. Everybody, please try. Beta, why so 4-5 students are still not attending the class? Vedant is there. Vedant, yes, you are there. Vedant, you are not trying the questions, beta. Rachit Srivastav, yes, beta, correct. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. Yes, well done. That's very easy question. Don't think I am giving the tough one. Come on, everyone. Still 2 programs are there for you. 2 more programs. So now Laksh Goyal. Beta, Laksh Goyal, see, you are starting a loop from 0 to less than equals to n. That means always we are working for the one extra term. So it has to start with 0. If you are starting from 0, it has to be I is less than n, beta. Right? So 0 plus 1, 1.
Okay, sir.
1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus Sarthak Pandey. Sarthak is 1, 1 plus 2, 2 plus 2. Yes, beta, Sarthak Pandey, correct. Laksh Goyal. Laksh Goyal, it is correct. Soumya Ashish. Okay, Soumya, you keep trying.
Sir, I posted.
No problem. Arisha Khan. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2. Yes, beta, Arisha, correct.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Prakriti Singh. Prakriti Singh, beta, your is wrong. You know, you are doing the silly mistake. I equals to 0. It should be I is less than n. Then it is fine. Okay? And pinned on the same line. Aryan Ashok.
Okay, sir.
Aryan Ashok. Aryan Ashok 1 L. What, beta? Aryan Ashok, you have not mentioned the value of A and L. So I cannot see like this. It is wrong. Abhyuday. You will have to mention the value of. Yes, Abhyuday, it is correct. Very good. Now Riddhi Kalra. Riddhi Kalra, you are printing 1, the difference. Beta, very good. Riddhi, absolutely correct. This is the logic, you know, this is the
Thank you, sir.
very basic logic, and which I have discussed in class 8th also, in class 9th also. Right? Very done. Shrestha Tripathi. So Shrestha, you are printing 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Beta, Shrestha, it is not coming correct. You know, it will come wrong. Check. Instead of printing SOP I, must be print, you know, A. Then A equals to A plus I. A plus plus is not required. This is wrong, beta. Dhriti Tripathi, just wait. A equals to, yes, correct, beta, Dhriti. Soumya Ashish is still incomplete, bachche. Rudraksh, beta, value of A is missing. What should I assume? Okay. Now Anirudh is single. Anirudh, it is wrong, beta. Single साहब, it is wrong. Kesarwani, yeah, it is correct. Okay, Soumya, no problem, beta. Take your time. Anushka Kasaudan, yes, correct, beta. Shivansh Singh only sent one line, so I cannot see your rest of the program. Artika Gupta, yeah, it is correct, beta. Well done. Amisha, yes, right. Yeshita, correct. Now Vedant, very good, Vedant. But Vedant, just remove SOPLN, okay? Just use SOP, okay? Vedant.
Yes, sir. Okay.
And beta Vedant, the value of O is missing. Just assign O equals to 1, then it would be fine. Otherwise it is wrong. Rudraksh is still wrong. Yes. Okay, Aditya Mishra. Equals to this 0, 0 plus 1. 1 is coming. Yes, Aditya. Correct, beta. Very good. So now, Bharat Asthana. 0 plus 1. Yeah, it is Bharat. Yes, absolutely fine, beta, Bharat. Shivansh is still incomplete. So now, beta Harshit Lalwani, it is wrong.
What is the mistake?
Harshit Lalwani, what you are doing, you are printing the natural number starting from 1. Because you have printed SOP then A, then every time you are doing A equals to A plus 1. So instead of A plus 1, just it should be A equals to A plus I. Rest is fine, beta. Okay? Do the correction. A equals to A plus I hoga. Okay, now. So now the next program I am going to post. Now this program is little bit tricky, as well as those who are getting the concept, they can do it easily. So now everyone, don't post now. I am giving you the different question. Just try that. Wahid, it is correct. Shreya, it is correct. Vedant, it is fine. Soumya Ashish, beta, the loop has to start with 0 to less than n, then it would be fine. Tausif Ansari, yeah, it is correct, beta. Very good. Now the next question is in your chat box. You need to print the sum of the series. Sum print karna hai. Rudraksh, now it is correct. Now see, the question is in your chat box. The question is in your chat box. So here what we are going to do, we are going to print the sum of the following series. Now please pay attention here. Please focus on the series. This is x to the power 1 upon 2 plus x to the power 2 upon 4 plus x to the power 3 upon 6 plus x to the power 5 upon 8 plus x to the power 8. So first of all, you will have to find out what is happening in the denominator as well as in the numerator part, the powers. So in the powers, as you can see here, these are the Fibonacci terms, which is starting from 1, 2, 3, then 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, like this only. So the powers are in terms of the Fibonacci series, and the denominator part is starting from 2, 4, 6, 8, means there is a difference of 2 only. Okay? And now the number of terms and the value of x is user is supposed to enter. So just go through the question, take your time and do it easily. Don't be in hurry. Okay? Please do it fast. Write down the question carefully and neat and clean writing. After that, take your time. After 5 minutes, this is now just now is happening 11:31. So after 4 or 5 minutes, I will discuss this question. By the time you can try. So now just now 45 of you have joined till now. Yes, beta, Rudraksh. But a bracket is always optional. Don't think that question we are supposed to type in brackets. Okay, that's not required. Actually, power 1 that is absolutely fine. Upon 2, obviously upon 2. Okay. So the resultant variable must be of double type, because in this the powers are coming into very big numbers sometime. Right. So result must be in decimal, that is for double, use double. And 2-3 students, you have joined very late. Prakhar Nayak, please join on time, beta. Gaurang.
Yes, sir. Forgot to join on time.
But this is not correct, na beta. You are missing your class. See, otherwise, you will suffer, beta. Don't think the recording you can watch later. You can, but the thing is, do not miss the live class, beta. We are interacting.
Yes.
This is, very important class in which we discuss everything. You are trying, I am telling the currently mistakes, what you people are doing. Please try to avoid this. Okay, beta?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. I hope next time everybody will join on time. Please, everybody, do not join the class late. Try to join before 5 minutes. At least we can utilize the whole 40 minutes in teaching only. Who has posted? Kavyansh, it is wrong, beta. Sorry, it is absolutely wrong. But you are not, going through the question properly. The powers are not the natural number. These are the Fibonacci terms. So we are supposed to generate it. And here you are not generating. The denominator part is okay. But the power part, that is I won't be there. Okay, Kavyansh, are you getting? Kavyansh?
Yes, sir.
Good. Please, beta, see, before doing the question, just try to understand the question first. Because if you are not getting the question, how you will do that? Don't think all the programs are very easy. Sometimes, I am giving you the easy programs only. At least everybody should try the questions. If I will start giving the tough question, so nobody can even try. Every question I need to tell. So that's not a proper things, right? I am giving you the question, that means you should try and you should understand. Then start doing. Is that clear?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta. Rachit.
Sir, the program that I have written, sir, it is not fully coming in the chat box. Sir, the system.out.println sum is equal to sum. Sir, it is not coming, sir.
Don't copy the whole program. Just start. Listen.
Where it is coming.
Rachit, listen. Just start copying from the variable declaration part. Okay? Just leave the above part.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I am supposed to.
Okay, beta Arisha. Arisha,
Sir, I am supposed to.
just give me a second, beta. Abhyuday Gupta, C equals to A plus B. A plus B 1. Just give me a second. Beta Abhyuday, the starting point of A and B, A must be 0 and B must be 1. Rest is fine, beta. Okay? Now Priyamvada Singh.
Sir, I have posted.
हाँ बेटा, प्रियमवदा सिंह एब्सोल्यूट बेटा, प्रियमवदा
Yes, sir.
beta, that symbol doesn't work as power. For power you need to use mat.pow. Okay,
Oh, yes, sir.
rest is fine beta, absolutely correct. Now Arisha, 0 1 1 1, yes, and y2, yes, correct beta. Arisha, absolutely correct, well done beta.
Thank you, sir.
Rachit, in the denominator part this is simply increasing by 2, right? Hello, Rachit.
Yes, sir.
And one more thing, the variables you have declared all
Yes, sir.
double type. That is wrong, beta. The I, A, and B equals to V plus C, it won't be there. A equals to V plus C. Huh?
Okay, sir.
You have done some silly mistake. Rest is fine.
Yes, sir.
Priyamvada, beta, it's okay. Priyamvada is still Sarthak Pandey. Okay. Sarthak F. सार्थक तुमने क्या किया है? F इक्वल्स टू F2 प्लस F1. सार्थक इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्यों कर रहे हो यार? ये तो बहुत आसान है. तुमको फर्स्ट लाइन लिखनी चाहिए F इक्वल्स टू F2 प्लस F1, वेयर द F2 मस्ट बी 0 एंड F1 मस्ट बी 1. कुछ करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं थी. अब तुमने सबसे पहले 1 है, ठीक है, 1 इक्वल्स टू 1 प्लस 2. Now it is fine, no issue. But the thing is, don't get, complicated. Don't do the complications, right? But it is correct, don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Well done.
Okay, sir.
Now Riddhi Kalra. Riddhi Kalra, C. Yeah, it is Riddhi. Yeah, it is correct, beta. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Who else is posting? Now Ishita. Ishita beta, mat.pow is required to be used. X to the power C की जगह पे, right? Rest is fine. Ishita, are you getting my point? Ishita,
Yes, sir.
good. Very small mistake and silly
Yes, sir,
mistake.
yes,
Do not repeat. ठीक है. Aryan Ashok, F equals to A plus B. Beta, Aryan Ashok, the value of A and B which you have used is wrong. That is the only correction. B is missing na beta. B must be 0. Rest is fine.
Yes.
Okay, everyone listen. Today we have done 3 programs and the 1 previous question. So all these 3 programs you need to copy in the book, notebook, and please Those who have not shown this last question, they need to send by today's evening. Okay? Is that clear? No homework. This is the only homework. Now we are ending the class. So those who are having doubt, they can try this program, and in the next class we will discuss this question again. Then we will move further, new things we will introduce. Okay? We will start working on the digits. So do not miss the next upcoming class. Thank you so much everyone. You can leave one by one. And in case if anybody having doubt,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
if anybody having doubt, he or she can stay. Okay, beta. Those who are having doubt, they can wait. You can watch the recording later on. Those who have missed.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, beta.